Let's take a look at one unit from our Cambridge International Specification Resources. This unit is Cambridge International Pure Mathematics 1. This is just one section from 27 sections from this particular unit, Pure Mathematics 1. The number of sections in other units range from around 15 to 30. All of the material below this line is available to students through their accounts, so they can learn, develop, progress, and extend. If you have access to Hodder's eBooks for Cambridge International, you can turn these links on to access the corresponding material. The teaching resources are only available to teachers. Let's take a look at the teacher resources first of all. These resources begin with a reminder of what the specification says about this piece of content. Then there are links to various classroom activities. This is a PowerPoint presentation with some nice starter problems. This is another PowerPoint presentation with some quickfire questions. There are technology resources. There are printable resources from which you can make card activities and matching activities. There are lots and lots of classroom activities, many of which can be used to encourage students to work together in groups. Let's take a look at the resources available to students. Here there are notes and examples, which are similar to what you might see in a textbook. There's lots of examples, lots of helpful commentary, and full work solutions. Walkthroughs are also available in some sections. A walkthrough is a sequence of pages which students can look at, read about, and interact with. The resource starts with a description of what the students learn, and you can move through the page. In this example, students are generally given a task. Here, students need to move the points so that they're at various distances from the blue point. They submit their answers and get feedback. Integral also provides exercises for students. Our Level 1 exercise contains fairly routine questions and lots of repetition of method. It also includes some deeper questions that might involve some problem-solving skills, as denoted by this icon here. Integral also contains full work solutions to all of its exercises. There are also skill packs where we are reminded of theory and we get a chance to review some examples of working. Then there are some practice questions we can complete for ourselves. Once the students enter their answers, they can check these and request a solution. Integral also provides a crucial points document that contains all the common misconceptions and all the things you need to be careful about in this area. The Level 2 exercise is where we introduce questions which are similar to what students would expect to see in examinations. There are also section tests, which are on-screen tests typically of 10 questions. There's a whole range of questions, some quite straightforward method questions ranging through to questions where the students will have to devise a strategy. Results of these are recorded and can be assessed by teachers. Finally, there are Level 3 exercises which are reserved for more challenging questions and other material which extends that in the specification. So back to the section page, and as you can see we've got to the end of the page where we are reminded of what we have learned here. You can take a look at this section for yourself and more via the preview button on this page.